Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves upgrading your home setup, enjoying movies in cinematic style, or keeping your gadgets efficient and stylish, you're in for a treat. In today's video, top 5 must-have tech gadgets for home theater and daily use. We're diving into a selection of tech products that bring convenience, entertainment, and performance to the next level. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Everycom HQ10W Projector. This is the ultimate home cinema companion. The Everycom HQ10W packs a powerful punch with its 1080p Full HD resolution and support for 4K video playback. What really stands out here is the support for Dolby Audio, giving you immersive, theater-grade sound right from your living room. With up to 19,000 lumens brightness, this projector is among the brightest in the LCD segment, clear visuals, even during the daytime. Its advanced 6D keystone correction supports 4-point, vertical, and horizontal keystone adjustment, both automatic and manual, up to plus or minus 50 degrees, ensuring perfect screen alignment from any angle. Running on Android 12.0 with 2 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, you can download and run any app you want right from the device. It's an all-in-one smart TV projector that turns any wall into a massive display. Perfect for movie nights, gaming, or even presentations. Number 4. Vevshao V30 Projector. If portability is your game, the Vevshao V30 is a total winner. It's a mini DLP projector with full 1080p HD resolution that delivers crisp, vibrant visuals. But here's where it really gets cool. It supports Shutter 3D, bringing the cinematic 3D experience right to your backyard or bedroom. Just pop on your 3D glasses, and you're ready to roll. It's battery-powered with a built-in 15,000 mAh rechargeable battery, giving you 2 to 3 hours of viewing time without needing to be plugged in. You also get lightning-fast TOF autofocus and all-angle keystone correction. That means no more fiddling around with settings. Just set it down, and it adjusts instantly. Whether you're outdoors, traveling, or setting up a quick watch party, this projector is the ultimate plug-and-play experience. Number 3. Byintek GL 1800 Glasses. For true 3D lovers, the Byintek GL 1800 active shutter glasses are a perfect match for DLP projectors. Designed specifically for models like the UFO P19, U30, and others, these glasses deliver a real 3D experience, not simulated or cheap effects. The design is sleek, super light, and made from ABS plus PC eco-friendly materials, making them comfortable for long sessions. They feature a built-in rechargeable battery with up to 50 hours of use on a single charge. The auto power-off and low battery indicators make them smart and energy efficient. High-speed LCD lenses help reduce eye strain, with a high transmittance rate that keeps the visuals bright and clear. They're also packed with anti-interference features for stable performance, making them ideal for immersive viewing sessions. Number 2. Blackshark GS3 Watch. This smartwatch goes beyond just timekeeping. The Blackshark GS3 features a stunning 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a sharp 466 by 466 resolution and 600 nits of brightness, making it easily visible in any light. It has a 21-day battery life, supports wireless charging, and is equipped with dual Bluetooth for smooth pairing. Need voice commands? The GS3 supports AI voice assistant sync with your smartphone. It's water-resistant with a 5 ATM rating, so you're safe during workouts or even a swim. With over 100 sport modes, 150-plus watch faces, and 2 straps, you get both style and function. The GPS satellite positioning is ultra-accurate, perfect for runners, cyclists, or outdoor adventurers. It supports Android, iOS, and HarmonyOS platforms, making it a versatile, everyday wearable. Number 1. Baseus M2 Case. The Baseus M2 is more than just a case. It's a dual-protocol SSD enclosure that supports both NVMe and SATA M.2 drives. With a blazing fast 10 gigabits per second transmission rate, you can transfer 1 gigabyte of data in just 1 second. Ideal for content creators, gamers, or anyone working with large files regularly. It supports drives up to 8 terabytes and comes with smart features like auto sleep mode, memory function, and data protection. The silicone thermal pad inside helps with heat dissipation, while the smart control chip keeps your data transfers fast and stable. Its minimalist design and USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 compatibility make it perfect for on-the-go professionals who need powerful external storage that looks good and performs even better. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.